Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question A, we can use about this integration in here. So about this integration, we know that can be about the integration from 0 to number 1 f of s ds plus the integration from number 1 to number 2. They want to find about this one in here. So this one we know that this is about number 6. This one we know that this is about number 4. So after we analyze this way, we put number 6 go to the left. And we have 4 minus 6 equals to negative number 2. And you got about this integration in here. And this is the answer for question A. Now let's go to question B. We can use about integration by substitution. So I can put about u equals to 2x plus 3. Next, I need to do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the u equal to 2ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, I need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 in here, and you got about u equals to number 3. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 go in here, and then you got about u equals to number 5. So number 0 we change by number 3, and number 1 we change by number 5. 2s plus 3 we change by u. ds we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, that's about this one in here. So we just put about number 1. And we got 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.